Hey learners, I'm Sonia and I welcome you to the Brazen Academy powered by Brazen Group. Brazen is your trusted Salesforce consultant partner for over a decade across the Americas and Caribbean. So here we help you master Salesforce through hands-on lessons and real-world projects and certification-ready courses. Watch, learn, and then head over to the academy.brazenGroup.com to take your skills and further. You can enroll in full course, appears for exam, and earn Brazen certified badges to showcase on LinkedIn and in your resume. Subscribe now and join thousands of learners transforming their careers with Brazen Academy, where learning meets certification. So today in this our Salesforce certified platform administrator series, we will continue with the flows, Salesforce flows. So we have already discussed the screen flow and record trigger flow. Next we have scheduled flow. So what is a scheduled flow? A scheduled flow in Salesforce is a type of auto-launched flow that runs automatically at a specified time without user interaction. So what are the benefits of flows? It runs on a set schedule like daily, weekly, or any custom time. It can query records in batches. It can perform automated actions like update, creates, email, apex action, etc. It supports filtering of reports, so the flow only processes what's needed. Next, we have what are the key features we have in schedule type flow. It can be used for the nightly cleanup data and automatic reminders. Also, it can be used to schedule assignment updates and batch recalculations. So let's see a demo in which we will create a reminder task for all the open opportunities. So for that, wherever we have stage name which is not equals to closed won and closed lost, we will create a task for these opportunities. Let's go to our Salesforce org and see how we can create a scheduled flow. In your org, go to the flow and click on the new flow. Here we will select scheduled flow and start creating the flow. Scheduled automation. In the scheduled, we have scheduled trigger flow. In the first, we will set the timer. Today, for now, let's select 12. Frequency, how you want it to run, how you want it to run once, daily, weekly. We can, for now, we can select once. It will run only once, and we can select daily if you want it to run daily or weekly. Next, we have choose the object. On which object we want to schedule the flow. I'll select opportunity. In the opportunity, which stage is not equals to closed lost and closed won. Stage does not equals to close lost. And one more task created this that is a checkbox field. Checkbox is false. And once that's completed, we will create a task. Create record, select an element, create record, and it will create a record on the task object. Select manually. Here we will select the object. For that we will select task. In here we will select all the necessary field that needs to be filled. First we will select related to ID. To our triggering record ID. Next we have all the fields that are required to fill. First we have assigned to subject status. Here we'll select assign to. So we will assign this task to the owner of the opportunity. Select triggering opportunity, and here we'll select owner ID. Next, status. Not started. Subject. Follow up. Priority. Not. And here we have mapped everything. Now click on create a new element, that is update record. Once the task record is created, then we will update the once the task record is created, we will update the uh, task created checkbox on the opportunity. So here we will select the specify condition to identify records. Object is opportunity. On the opportunity, we will update the task created with the true. Here we will use the opportunity record global variable. We'll update the task created to true if the task is created for that opportunity. Click on save. Let's create one opportunity. Let's create a task and see what's the time we have. So in the system, it's time 11:38. So we will schedule it for the 11:40 a.m. Click on save and activate. So in the setup, we will check if it is scheduled in the scheduled job. So here in the scheduled job, we have a task, create task for the open opportunities, that is scheduled for the 11:40, and the timing we have 11:39. It was created. So let's check if we have the task for the opportunities. Go to the all opportunities, and here this is the close one. For these opportunities, we should not have any task. Here we don't have any task. And if we go to the others, like to the qualification and ideal decision maker, we should have a task. Go here, and here we have a follow-up task created. Here also we have a follow-up task created. That's how we can schedule the job using a scheduled flow. So great job completing this session. In the next video, we will cover auto launch flow. So if you found this video helpful and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next episode in the Salesforce learning journey. If you are watching this session on YouTube and want to go beyond YouTube, head over to the academy.brazilgroup.com to take the full course and attend the certification exam and earn your present certified badges. Ready to shine on LinkedIn and in your resume. Keep learning, keep growing, and then I'll see you in the next video right here at Present Academy where learning meets certification. So thank you everyone. Be bold, be present.